Hi, I am the Cadet Ibon Carl Tiburon, BSMT3 pilot. So now I'm going to discuss about the arithmetic and geometric sequence. So what is the arithmetic sequence? So an arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers such that different from any succeeding terms to its preceding terms remain constant throughout the sequence. The constant difference is called common difference or the arithmetic progression. So I have an example of the arithmetic sequence. So I have a formula. So a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 is equals to d. So d is the common ratio. So example 4, 9, 14, 19, and 24. I have a 5 terms. So as you can observe, I'm going to add 5. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. 14 plus 5 equals to 19. 19 plus 5 equals to 24. So we're going to find the 7 terms. So you can write the formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1, and d is the common ratio. So write the a sub 7 equals, so a sub 1, so a sub 1 is the first term, you can write that, then plus, then n is the 7 terms, you can write the 7 minus 1, then the common ratio is 5, then equals, you can write the 4 plus, then 7 minus 1 is equals to 6, then the common ratio 5, and you can write the 4 plus, then 6 times 5 equals 30. So a sub 7 is equals to 34. So our 7th term is 34. So we'll proceed to the geometric sequence.